With Eid around the corner, let me share with you all a delicious peanut butter stuffed dates recipe wrapped in rich dark chocolate using just 3 simple ingredients. For this recipe, you would need majtool dates. If you do not find them, you can absolutely use any type of dates that you like eating plain. We need to pit them first, for which make a slit in the center halfway through and remove the seeds from within like so. Let me show it to you one more time. So you do not want to cut it all the way around, or else you will be left out with two halves of dates, but instead we want to create a cavity in the center. Once done, let us stuff the dates with a teaspoon of peanut butter or more depending upon how big the cavity is. Now this is where you can get creative. Add any filling of choice if you do not prefer peanut butter, like whipped cream, ganache or even cheesecake filling. Find all the details for the same on our blog post, the link for which is in the description box below. Once filled, I like to press the dates a little bit together to make it into an oval shape. I felt that this gives the dates a nice look once dipped in chocolate. Having said that, you can definitely stop at this stage too. Just simply add toppings like crushed nuts, peanuts or pomegranate seeds on top for garnishing. It still tastes delicious. But I love dipping it in chocolate because it looks more eye-catching and festive appropriate, and the dark chocolate also complements the sweetness from dates and peanut butter. Feel free to skip this step if you want to. In place of dark chocolate, you can also use semi-sweet chocolate. I first used a wooden skewer to hold it, but I felt our good old folk did a better job, so I went for that. Dip the peanut butter stuffed dates into melted chocolate and tap your hands to remove the excess chocolate and lay on a parchment paper to set. Once set, feel free to decorate as you like. I added some edible golden leaves to make it festive appropriate for Eid, followed by a drizzle of melted chocolate and some sea salt. Again, sea salt complemented this dessert so well. The sweet and salty touch made this an addictive dessert, and because of its simplicity and the no added sugar part, this can also double down as a healthy snack for toddlers and kids. Now, wasn't that the easiest dessert ever? Hit like if you also felt so. Oh, by the way guys, if you're looking for some festive desserts for Eid, check out our 31 crowd pleasing cheesecake recipes that I just published on the blog. The link is in the description box below. Or click the link here to watch our dates and walnut cake video, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.